Welcome your faces back to another Flawless Culture video. Joined by Skyline Gilly, Michael. Today we're going to be putting in the forged engine. Hurrah! Finally! So we've got to drag that outside. Car's here. Car's going to go in a garage. So for people that don't know, blew my engine up beginning of last year. So taking the motor out, forged it, LSD in the gearbox. Going to put it in the car, make some power. Obviously Gilly's here just to supervise. Obviously, yeah, PA. Little dwarfs and cranes, it's a no-no. So without further ado, let's get to it. So this is when you know your car's been outside for too long. If it'll focus, there you go. Look, little weeds growing. Update on the car, engine's in, all mounts are done. I've got some fucking sick billet mounts, you can see them, the innovative mounts, if I can say it right. Without showing you my ass for about 3 hours, yeah, like I say, I've got it mounted in. Gilly's just putting in the drive shafts. I've just put the gear linkage in there. What else have I done? I've got wiring to do, also sorting out the rocker cover as well, that's going to go on. Nice black painted rocker cover. And that, Gil's ready for his pizza. Keep going. So just a quick update, rocker's on, all tightened down, wiring for ECU, just need to tighten that up. Spark plugs, coil packs are in, just put the hairdryer on, so the Precision 5858 turbo's on. Just going to start doing all the boost piping now. Front rad's on. It's like just turned 6 o'clock on day 2, so yeah, go get cracking. we've got the running oil in, coolant in the radiator as well, didn't show that. Got the drive shafts in, taking the spark plugs out because we're just literally going to crank it over, make sure that we've got oil pressure. If we've got oil pressure, then we're good to rock and roll. Everything's pretty much button up, all boost pipes on. What else? Obviously, radiator hoses, like I say, taking the spark plugs out there with the coils. Disconnected the injectors as well because I don't want them going. Let's get to it. Wish me luck. There we go. Got oil pressure. One good sign. Don't know what these are doing now. Not staying. Now we've got compression. We can start putting all the spark plugs and putting the injectors back on, and then it's time to fire. Here we go. Wish me luck. Let's do this. Hey. Sick. How about that? We've done it. Really just checking it over. Yes! Absolutely buzzing. Maybe I should be checking it over. I don't know. Well, that is a wrap. I did it, we did it together. Full rebuild, forged pistons, diff. Started hunting, hunting for its idle because of the idle control valve. So we turned it off. So next step is I'll just strip the front end, get the idle control valve out, and then we can send it up the street and possibly do some 11s, or maybe not. But yeah, we'll have to bed her in. But she's done. She's ready. And thank you to this man here.
No worries.
Not all heroes wear wings, eh? Bless him. He's been here helping me over the last couple of nights, just making sure she's ready for starting up. Obviously, we had a fuel leak as well, kind of the same thing we did have the first time I dynoed it, but sorted it out. New hose. Yeah, absolutely buzzing. Kind of a bit speechless to say. Obviously, first time building an engine, kind of don't know what to expect. You know, a little bit of smoke here and there kind of gets you worried, but no. Really happy. Thanks for watching, guys. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Please like, share it with your brother, your sister, your mother, your auntie, your grandma. Tell them to subscribe as well, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Purple Lamborghini,